Welcome back to Flair. Today, we're diving into the exciting shift happening in Egypt's automotive industry. In 2024, Egypt is making big moves toward becoming a serious player in local car manufacturing, with smart policies, bold investments, and rising consumer interest in electric vehicles. The government has allocated a massive 1 billion Egyptian pounds in the new budget to power up the automotive industry localization strategy. This plan isn't just about assembling cars, it's about creating a self-sustaining ecosystem, aiming to increase local content in production to more than 45% this year alone. So far, 7 major companies have already signed up to be part of this transformation. And it's not just policy on paper, real growth is happening. The Egyptian car market grew by 6.4% in 2024. Chinese automakers are leading the charge, with brands like Chery, MG, and BYD becoming household names. In fact, Chery now tops the sales charts, pushing past Nissan and Hyundai. But Egypt isn't stopping at gas-powered vehicles. The electric vehicle segment is gaining serious traction. EV sales nearly doubled in 2024, reaching almost 3,000 units. The total number of EVs on Egyptian roads now exceeds 6,000. And there's more coming. The government aims to locally produce 500,000 electric cars by 2030, with subsidies in place for the first 100,000 long-range models. On the international front, big brands like Nissan are expanding their manufacturing presence in Egypt. Nissan is not only planning a new vehicle launch from its Egyptian plant but is also aiming to turn its factory into the country's first fully solar-powered car production facility. Whether it's local assembly, green energy, or EV expansion, Egypt is gearing up to become a regional hub for automotive innovation. And here at Flair, we'll keep you updated on every major development. If you're excited about where Egypt's auto scene is heading, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Flair for more in-depth coverage of the latest in the world of cars.